Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle and I'm here to take you through some really awesome projects. Today we are doing another character, hopefully a character most of you know. It is one of my favorite characters, and if you've seen Finding Nemo, then maybe you've seen Finding Dory. We are making Baby Dory today. So if you would like to make Dory with us, just keep on watching, and if you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay, let's get started.
Perfect. So the very first thing we are going to start with are the eyes. So we're just going to make 2 circles for Baby Dory's eyes. Beautiful. And then we're going to make the iris. So we're just starting on the inside of that circle. We're going to make a slightly smaller circle for the purple of Dory's eyes. And then I also included the little reflection. So I did a tiny little circle. And then I created the pupil. So I did another smaller circle on the inside. And it's okay if they're not perfect. Don't worry about it. So the next step is creating Baby Dory's head. So we're going to start at the top of the eye. We're going to do a line going straight up, and then we want to curve it coming into the forehead. And then we're going to attach those 2 lines with a little hill rainbow shape. Then we're going to create the eye creases. So we're going to start at the top inside part of the eye, and we're going to draw a line going up and then curving out towards the outside of the face. Then the same thing at the bottom. So we're going to start at the bottom of the eye and curve a line going out towards the outside of the face. Then we're just going to create the bottom of the face, so the chin. So I just did 2 lines going down at a bit of a diagonal there, and then created a U-like shape. Perfect. And then you can create a little smile. So I just did a little smiley face with a dimple. You can do your smiley face however you would like. Then for our fins, we are just going to create kind of like a curvy line, and then we're going to go down and then a curvy line coming back in. So curvy line out, down, and then back in, and then out, down, and back in. For the tail, and then for the tail details here, we are just going to add a few lines in the tail, and then for the side fins, 2 lines going straight down. Perfect. Then we're going to just color in the pupils there, so you can use a black marker or a Sharpie, whatever you have, or a colored pencil. Amazing. And then we're going to add, Dory has these little details at the top of her fin pattern or her fish pattern. So you can just add those little details at the very top of her head there. They're just kind of like sideways triangles. Then the fins, we're just going to color those in there where we did that line. We just want to create kind of like a scribbled line of black. Again, that's just the angelfish pattern. And then on the tail as well, near the base of the tail, we're going to color that in kind of with scribbled black, and then we're going to add some yellow later on. Wonderful. Then taking a nice bright blue, we can just color in all of Baby Dory. Perfect. So that includes all of the face. Just go around the eyes, fill it all in. And then we're also going to fill in the fins there just before the black scribbles. Perfect. Then taking a darker blue color, I just shaded in some of those shadowed areas. So we want it to look like Baby Dory's eyes are really popping out. So you can just take a darker blue and add a bit of darkness into those creases. If you like the markers that we're using, you can get them for yourself. We have them linked in the bio down below. They're great for blending and great for just making these drawings. Perfect. And then I also added a bit of that dark blue just at the top there to make it look more like it has Baby Dory has a bit of like a head shape. And then I went in with my lighter blue and blended all of that in. So the great thing about these markers is that they're great to blend. So I just went in with that same blue that we did for the whole body, and I colored over top, and it'll blend the markers together a little bit. You can see I went in again there. Beautiful. Then the next thing we're going to do are the yellow parts of Dory's pattern. So angelfish have yellow at the very end of their tail and fins. So we're just going to add it to the very end of our fins, the very end of our tail. Amazing. Then we're going to color in our eyes. So the iris of the eye there, we're going to color that in a bright pink. Again, you can do this whatever color you would like to. Baby Dory just has these like bright purpley pink eyes. So that's what I created here. Nice bright pink eye. And then to give Baby Dory a little bit more dimension, I went in with a darker, more magenta pink and kind of added a little bit of darkness to the top outside areas of the pink. So I went in with a dark magenta and then I went in with an even darker burgundy and really made that nice and dark in those areas. Perfect. And then when you're done that, you are all done making Baby Dory with us. I hope you loved making this video. And if you did, please make sure to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.